I often get asked about recommendations for color on the eyes. I know this can be a super scary step, especially when you're just starting out learning how to apply eye makeup. And so I want to show you how you can do a really pretty yet neutral blue eye, yes, even with blue eyes, in this next look. Let me show you how. Every eye look I teach starts with eye primer. Eye primer is so important because it keeps the colors from blending too much together, giving you a muted, muddy look. It also keeps your eyeshadows looking vibrant and crease-free all day long. I promise when you use this eye primer, when you wash your face at night, you're gonna be a little sad because your eyes are still gonna look like perfection the way they did early in the morning when you did them. To complete this pretty neutral blue look, we're gonna be using Younique's Addiction Palette number 4. I love the palettes because all the decisions are already made for me. I don't have to search around to finding the perfect colors that go together. They're already there for me. We're gonna be starting with the color Cheerful, which is a muted teal, and we're gonna be using the fluffy crease brush. I'm gonna take my brush and start patting it from the outer corner of the eye in. You can see there's no super special technique here other than to just press the powder onto the eye. We're going about a quarter of the way across the eyelid. In between each step, I like to use a blending brush just to kind of smoke it out and looking very blended. The next color we're going to use is Honest. This is a more metallic teal. This is going to bring some shimmer to the lid. Anytime you add a lighter color that is a shimmer to your lid, it's going to open up the eye and create the illusion of a bigger eye. We're using the liner shader brush. You're just going to go in and again start on the inner corner and start pressing that powder in all the way across until you meet the color we just applied, Cheerful. Next, we're gonna be using the color Triumphant, which is a matte navy. We're gonna take our crease brush and draw a tiny V on the outer corner of the eye. Again, remember between each step, use that blending brush to just blend it out. We're not finished with the eye, but it's at this point that I like to go in with my foundation, my blush, my bronzer, eyeliner, all of that. Then we'll come back and finish up the eyes. Now that we've got the rest of the face done, let's finish up the eyes. We're gonna go back in with that crease brush into the color Cheerful. Cheerful was the very first color that we started with. Take the crease brush and gently come under the eye, kind of running it through your lashes. I go about 3/4 of the way across. And as always, go back in with that blending brush, blend it out. The last step with our beautiful blue eyes is going to be our highlight color, which is the color Tender. This is a shimmery, powdery white that we're going to use on the inner corner of our eye and above and under the brow. This will open up the eye and lift the eye. I'm going to be using the Deluxe brush to do this. Let's finish up with the lashes, and then I'm gonna show you the lip that I like to pair with this eye look. We're almost finished. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips in the Younique Precision Pencil Pouty, obviously one of my favorite colors. so that I can create a more defined lip, a little bit more dramatic, and keep all of my lip color inside my lip, not on my face. Next, we're gonna apply one of my favorite new products, which is a lip powder. It's a powdered lipstick. Each little powder is encapsulates a water molecule. See, science was not my best subject. However, this is super cool. When it touches the heat of your lips, it bursts and moisturizes and applies more like a traditional lipstick, but the staying power is fantastic. This is the color Contrite. There you have it. A complete look using the color blue on the eyes that isn't scary at all. I hope you give it a try. Don't be afraid to add some color to your face. And if you loved these tips and tricks and tutorials, don't forget to follow this page. If you love the products I use, the link will be in the description.